Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Lesa and I'm so excited that you are here for today's video. We will be upcycling this old, tired, worn out garland into a new, fresh one. And then we're going to decorate the small tree that I put in my boys' game room where they like to hang out. This is going to be a fun video, so stick around, you don't want to miss it.
So fast, I wish I could somehow make them last. Put it in a bottle.
I couldn't even tell you how long I've had this garland. It has been around and seen many Christmases. The lights have not worked for quite a while now, and I just string on new lights. But the ones that originally were on the garland are like a round circular bulb, and so they're bulky and they show up and you can tell it doesn't work right. The colors are not really what I use anymore, so we're going to make it into something new and fabulous. Don't throw away those broken, worn out things. Let's upcycle them. Let's do a little DIY on them and make them new, give them fresh life. Nobody will ever know, and things are so expensive right now, right? This is the perfect way to save a little money. I'm not going to spend a penny on this because I already had everything in my plethora of crafting supplies.
Santa Claus is on his worldwide tour, like so many a time before. And if you've been really good, it's true, Santa Claus has got something for you.
First thing you're going to do is take some wire cutters and cut all of the old, worn out, broken lights off. Even though they don't work, make sure it is not plugged in, and always safety first. Once everything is cut off, we're going to lay the garland out and we're going to paint the balls that were green red. So when we're done, we're going to have silver and red balls. I put on 3 coats of paint, and I didn't bore you with all of that, so we're going to time lapse this up a little bit as I go along, but you can see how vibrant and pretty that red color is.
Does this come true? Only once a year. Only once a year. Only once a year. Only once a year. I've been longing for this day for a full year now. Can hardly believe it's.
And here's my youngest son popping in to say, give this video 2 thumbs up if you enjoy it and are liking what you're seeing. If you've been around on my channel a while, you will know he loves to do this when he's here.
Just pulling my leg.
My husband and I are Texas Tech Red Raider alumni, so we have quite the collection of Texas Tech ornaments. So the tree that I'm going to put up in my boys' game room is going to be red, black, and Texas Tech. I had these face decals from when the boys were smaller and we would go to the Texas Tech games. We would put them on our cheek. I haven't used them in quite a while, so I'm going to put them on these balls like stickers, and it's going to make this whole garland a Texas Tech Red Raider theme just by reusing what I had at home and wasn't going to use for anything else. Then I'm going to hot glue any loose balls back onto the garland, as well as glue on the ones that had already fallen off in the box. They had been off for season after season. I just kept them in the bottom of the box. It's a good thing, right?
That's a red and green parcel. The label reads Marcel. I wonder if it's what I thought.
To all my returning friends here at Uniquely Lesa, thank you for coming back time and time again to watch. I appreciate you. And to any of you that are new and this is your first time watching one of my videos, welcome. I am the stay-at-home wife and mom to 2 older boys. I have a passion and love for all things homemaking and housekeeping, and that's what I love to share here on my channel. I just want to encourage you, inspire you to get up and get something done in your home. It is about progress over perfection here on my channel. So if that sounds like something you could use a little more of in your life, then I invite you to join the community here. It is so warm and welcoming, and I would love for you to be a part of that. Once everything is secured back on the garland, I'm stringing on a white light strand. This is going to be somewhat permanently attached, so I don't have to restring it every season until it goes out again. And then our garland is done. And I think it's beautiful. It gives new life. I love red and green at Christmas, and this definitely gives off those vibes with the newly painted red balls and the green evergreen. Don't throw away those tired, worn-out decorations. Get some inspiration from either here or on the internet, other YouTubers, and recreate and repurpose those ornaments, those garlands, those decorations into something new. So much fun, something you could do with your kids, and I promise you, you're gonna love them.
I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love.
So I bought the slim tree from Walmart last year. It was pre-strung with the white lights. It's a pencil, ultra thin, I believe. I don't know. I will look and see if I can link it. Like I said, I bought it last year, so I don't even know if it's available again. But I'm going to add these strands of red lights. I don't think you can ever have too many lights on a Christmas tree. The red is going to just pop beautifully and give some dimension and a custom look to your tree. So that's my tip for you. Add additional lights or add a different color light that coordinates with your color scheme.
Everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland.
Next, I have these 18-inch lengths of ribbon that I cut off of a large spool. I am just going to kind of loop them and tuck them into the tree. This is going to give the appearance of a wrapping or a garland around the tree without using so much ribbon and being so bulky on this slim pencil tree.
A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland.
Hopefully you can see here what I'm doing. I'm just sticking one loose end in. I'm kind of looping it over the outside of the branches and then lightly tucking in at the bottom, but not so close at the bottom that it doesn't leave a tail to the ribbon, because you want the tail end of the ribbon to still stay sticking out of the tree loose.
All year, you've been taking notice, that much is clear. Christmas night.
just keep working your way around the tree with the ribbon until you get all of the empty spots filled in and it looking just like you want. Then we're going to move on to the ornaments. We're going to start hanging those on the tree. I've had a lot of these ornaments, like I said, for a long time. Some of these date back into college, and that was the early 1990s. So they're very special to me and my husband. The others are just color coordinated ornaments. They're shatterproof that I've had for a long time as well, that we put on various trees throughout the years.
Tree, we can dress together. With nutmeg, apple, and butter. So now I'm asking you, hoping you'll take this ride. Do you wanna make plans with me for Christmas night? Why don't we make your Christmas my Christmas?
We have all of the ornaments on, so I'm going to take these poinsettia flowers and just tuck them in any spots that look empty. I got these off of a floral bush and I just used my wire cutters and snipped them off. You can do this with all kinds of florals to add interest to your trees and your garlands, decorations around your home at Christmas and other seasons as well. It is a very affordable and economical way to buy the big bush and then cut it apart, because sometimes that is cheaper than buying the individual stems or picks.
Be all about love. Mulled wine by the fireplace, with the one you're dreaming of. Why don't we make your Christmas my Christmas, our Christmas? Why don't we make your Christmas my Christmas, our Christmas? Why don't we now? Why don't we? Why don't we? Why don't we now? Make it our Christmas. Why don't we now?
And then the crowning glory of all Christmas trees is the topper. I have this knit star and I'm going to just place it right up here so it can shine all season long.
While the snow is gently falling, we keep busy.
The upcycled DIY garland that we made is going to go up here on the top of this entertainment center. It is going to fill out the space. The lights are going to be magical and just beautiful at night. Because the cabinet is so heavy, I keep a permanent extension cord running up the back and to the top. So that's what I will plug the lights in. I drape garlands and banners and decorations throughout the different seasons up here to make it festive and fun for my kids and all their friends when they come over.
The season's all about. From upstairs we hear the laughter from the ones that waited long for the socks to fill, but they won't until the birth of Christmas Day.
I'm going to use the extra ribbon I had from the tree to just kind of loop and drape into the garland to add one more feature and dimension to it. I think it softens the look.
Let us take this time to celebrate this year, and let's remember it's about the things we share. Let's come together and make memories that stay, the ones that never fade on this Christmas day. Ooh, ooh.
found this strand of Jingle Bells on this twiny red and white rope at Ross, and it did not have a price tag on it, so I took it to the register and asked, for a price on it, and she couldn't find it either. So she was like, how does $2.99 sound? Does that sound fair? And I'm like, yes, please, add to cart, buy now, because that's a steal for a good garland, $2.99. So I bought it, not really knowing where I was going to put it, but I think it looks great up here. It adds some gold to the red and silver, then the color of the white and red string, just another layer of perfection to this upcycled DIY Texas Tech garland.
The city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's nowhere inside. And all of the
Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you are inspired to try a DIY upcycled project in your home with some of your tired, unused Christmas decorations. It is a lot of fun to see new life brought to something that you already have used and loved. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up before you click on my next video, which I will have linked here at the end screen. And if you haven't already, I invite you to join the Uniquely Lesa family. Vlogmas is just getting started, so I have new videos for you every day. I promise that they will be fun, encouraging, and inspirational so that you can have the most wonderful holiday and Christmas season at your house, and I wouldn't want you to miss any of that. Most of all, I hope you have the most wonderful and blessed day, and I look forward to seeing you on here again real soon.
my friends by my side.